Today I am talking about very important daily routine practice, that is Abhyangam. What is this Abhyangam? In Ayurveda, it explained as oil massage has to be done by each and everyone on the daily basis. What are the benefits of this oil massage doing it on the daily basis? It prevents the diseases, it improves the lifespan, helps to delay aging, also in skin disorders, dry skin, elevates fatigue, gives you good sleep, uplifts your mood. Also, it also helps you to for the well-being. Who can do this massage or the Abhyangam every day? Everyone. No age group, especially kids and old age people. If they do it on the daily basis, it can prevent many vata rogas or the age related factors. In kids, it can nourish their tissues, it can bring them bala or the strength to their muscles and help them for the overall development. Nowadays many have the complaint of joint pains or chronic pain. Why this is there? Because of inflammation, because of the wrong lifestyle or the food habits since childhood, can lead to the age related pain. So when we apply oil, it absorbs through the skin and goes into the blood vessels and does its job. Who can apply? What diseases are good if they do the Abhyangam on daily basis? One is arthritis, skin disorders, and who is losing strength in their muscles, aged people who is always with fatigue and a lot of body pains, muscle knots. All these patients can also use oil on the daily basis and see that their pain is relieving and the stiffness is not much. The morning stiffness also can be elevated with Abhyangam. What is the right time to do Abhyangam? Early morning before bath, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before bath, and try to take warm water bath, not cold water. And also in the evening time before around 7 o'clock or 6 to 7, that also is the right time because that even vata will be more in the body during that time. What are the oils you can use for Abhyangam? The plain simple coconut oil is always best. There are many other Ayurvedic oils, herbal oils like Mahanarayana Taila, Bala Ashwagandha Taila, Bala Lakshadi Taila, which is also good for kids. There is Kshira Bala Taila. There is some Mahamasha Taila, Karpuradi Taila, which is very good for all type of pain. So all other a few examples of oils which you can use. Also there is one more oil called Nalpamradi Taila for the skin health. But always take your Ayurvedic physician's opinion and then start medicating. Do not self-medicate. Recent days there is one more oil which is produced out of Vijaya, which is cannabis. The cannabis or CBD oil, which is popularly known as CBD oil. This also has anti-inflammatory property in it, and when applied locally it can give pain relief effect. There are many patients who are using the CBD oil to get the instant relief from the pain. Also it helps to absorb through the skin pores and reduce the inflammation. Cannabis oil or the Vijaya oil is also beneficial in cancer related pains, which is very severe, so it can give the instant relief. Can I use oil directly on the skin? Yes, you can, but it has to be heated indirectly. Take a vessel with water, keep it in the stove, and when it is boiling, keep the bowl which has the oil in it, place on that water and then heat it indirectly. Then use that oil, which will give you a very good relief. Otherwise, it can cause some other bad unwanted. I'm sure Indians always get a very good oil massage in their childhood till the age of 2 to 3. So as we all know, our ancestors also followed the oil massage for kids. It's our duty now to take this culture or to take this Ayurvedic blessing to our future generation and get a good health for ourselves in our old age. Please share this knowledge to your closed ones and help them to live stay happily and healthy for a long time. I'll come up with a simple Ayurvedic pain relief oil recipe in my next video. Please keep watching. If this is helpful for you, please thumbs up. Also subscribe my channel and get the important inputs notification. Thank you. Stay happy, stay healthy.